James and I, the two co-founders, started this company several years ago, and it was originally born out of a need to solve a problem for ourselves. We were both smokers, struggling with smoking, tried to quit many times, and quitting smoking is notoriously difficult. It's extremely, extremely difficult. The average smoker tries to quit 30 times in their lifetime. So we faced this problem personally, and were compelled to create a solution for ourselves. And we knew that if we were able to create an effective alternative, that it would be effective for many other smokers as well. So that's how it started years ago that we began working on this. Now it took time. We launched JUUL first in the U.S. in 2015, but this was after more than a decade of research and development. We developed, as I said, many prototypes, and we found that we had to dive deep into many different disciplines. From industrial design to mechanical engineering to electrical engineering to chemistry and flavor chemistry. All of these aspects are really important pieces to create an overall solution that works for smokers.
Was the key of our success. I think the key is addressing a real need for consumers. What we know is that 70% of all smokers want to quit smoking at any given time. So the key was really to focus on technology development, not just for technology's sake, but for the needs of real people. There's an awful lot of them, and that need is very real. Right. So the recent Altria investment in JUUL makes no changes to the long-term mission of the company. We're still very much focused on eliminating the leading cause of preventable death, eliminating cigarettes from the world. We've really been excited to see their commitment to moving away from combustible cigarettes long-term. We think that's a major change in the United States, and that it will benefit us internationally as well. It's easy to get trapped as you're building a company, especially when you're building a product on something that's cool or interesting or potentially even compelling. But ultimately, those things that you bring to life will be measured against its efficacy or its utility for consumers. So by focusing on consumer needs and deeply understanding something, some inherent needs with consumers, then you can't go wrong, right? Then you have a North Star. And I think that's one thing that has worked really well for us.
New business is never easy. There are lots of hurdles along the way. So finding something that you're truly passionate about helps manage through those obstacles.